Okay guys, welcome back. So here is the dried results of everything. I'm trying to hold my camera as still as possible, just for you, Diane. Anyway, the purple one I think came out the best, and the red heart, because I know you can't really see it too well in the light, except I have a bit right there, which I'm not too happy about. But if I can seal them really good, I think we'll be all right. So under the eggs, like this guy, I'm going to need to touch him up a little bit because I tore it right there. The good thing about these is if you don't like it, you can peel the paint off. It's extremely easy. As I started to pull the painter's tape off of all of them, you got to remove the painter's tape when stuff is still, you know, it's dry, but it's still kind of, it'll pull the paint, but it won't tear the paint. So if you wait too long, then the paint can tear off, and then you got to kind of start over. But I went and got a knife, and I cut around the painter's tape, so that worked out pretty well. These guys I didn't do on camera, but they are glass. I got to just scrape the bottoms of them. But I'll show you the picture of it up in the light. It's kind of cool, actually. But yeah, this was the hot cinnamon, and then Craftnique's gold. There's also some of that orange peel in there from Primary Elements. I mean, they just worked great. I did a peacock one over here. This guy is also, he's a lot, this one's a lot more dense, so, but I mean, the backs look really cool, you know? Like if you actually can get the backs cleaned really well. So, and then I did the owl off camera with some leftovers. The stars came out great. The butterfly, I put a base coat with a paint marker down on the center, and then I'm going to come over and paint it with the hot cinnamon, maybe brush it with some gold lightly or something. The angel, I don't know, probably like maybe a pearl head. So I'm not done yet, but I at least wanted to show you. So under the heart, I think the heart kind of came out the best. There's just little pinpricks there, and that's going to be really easy to touch up. So with Craftnique's Grand Finale top coat, if you brush very lightly and thin, it'll at least seal it, and then you can either resin it or whatnot. Somebody inquired to me on she poured on an emu egg, and I guess she resined it, and the resin didn't go well. I know Stone Coat has like a wall resin. Anyway, it's meant to stay put. So when you put it on stuff that you don't want it to run or drip, that's a good possibility as well. So I haven't totally figured it out yet. Craftnique does have a hard varnish called Bright Tone, and I'm still working with that. So, but that's a possibility as well. They are able to withstand hot mugs on tiles and things like that with the Bright Tone. So it's very intricate and delicate, so you might even want to just spray these with a spray varnish. All of Craftnique's top coats and the gel stain and everything, you can put it into a sprayer. So, and just hit them all at once if that's something, you know, you're thinking about doing. But yeah, so I'll show you the backs of all of the others just so you can see. So this guy, yeah, I kind of messed him up. I had to paint over it. But essentially, the sides, you know, you lose the cells, so basically the top is really where it's at. And I think there's plenty of room for improvement with this. You know, this was my first go round, and like I said, if you don't like it or if you mess it up, it's real easy to just let it dry and just peel it right off. It's it's harder to peel an orange than to peel this stuff. So, and the green is almost perfect. Just a couple little pinpricks, and that's it. So, there you have it. All right, this is part 2 from the collab with Jenny Post and I. I just wanted to take a second to really say thanks, Jenny, because she's just been an amazing person, an amazing friend. If you haven't checked out her channel, I highly recommend that you do so. She's got some great content on there. Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, I really hope you're feeling better. We miss you. Get your butt back here. And Leslie Olmsted, thank you so much for my package. And I'm getting ready to play with that in the next upcoming videos as well. I have a couple new extensions of this technique that I want to roll out. So I hope you guys like it, because obviously, you know, the whole bloom thing, everybody is seeing it over and over and over again. Not that it's getting old. There's a lot of new people. Well, I mean, it might be getting old to some, but a lot of new people are coming in. They're learning. They don't, you know, this is more of an advanced technique, and for somebody first starting out, it's a lot to learn. So I totally get it. Sorry if you guys, you know, think it's repetitive and whatnot. I'm trying to switch it up for you today on the dragon egg ornament kind of thing. And I sped it up. You know, it was a lot of content to cram into that video, and there was a couple things that got cut. Anyway, needless to say, I'm going to show you a ring pour. So I also did that on the purple. It was either the purple or the green. It was a dirty pour on one egg, and then I kind of coiled it around on another egg like a ring pour. So, and I also did the background on the heart that I showed you in the first video. So it all depends on what you want to do and how you want to do it. This is my leftover black that I tinted myself using Craftnique's black colorant and the Glidden Premium Untinted Base 3. So I still have plenty of that left over. As you can see, it's very stringy and everything. It's still all good. And then I did make a cheesecake at the end of the video, which came out awesome. I went to go get a picture and there was a slice missing, and I was like, what is going on here? My boyfriend was like, sorry babe, I thought it was a cheesecake. And I was like, that was for my video. And he was like, oh, I'm sorry. He's like, well, just take a slice out and show him the slice. And I was like, you know, I'm so not talking to you for the next month. But no, in all fairness, it was kind of funny. But yeah, so here we go. I just grabbed a cup. I love these little cups, you guys. You're going to see me using them a lot. Actually, not that one. But the paint does, everything you see is on the outside except for that one. But the paint does peel out really easily. So anyway, your first color in is your last color out. So I do recommend pouring it on an angle of the cup so they kind of float on top of each other, and pour it really close to the cup. And yeah, so I have, let's see, I got these colors here. I might add a pink in, I don't know yet. I'm really trying to figure out what this color is going to do. This is the, I think it's nutmeg. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's nutmeg. And of course I don't have it handy. But yeah, so my bottom color, I want it to be the plum. And then the top color, I want it to be the teal, and then the cell activator, of course. So we'll probably do plum, orange, teal, no, plum, this color, the orange, and then the teal, I think. Let's hope it works out all good, because I really don't have much orange left, and you guys know how I am with orange. So let's just kind of do this. Now I coil it around in the center, like kind of wind it up, so that way the puddle stays a little more, you know, fluffy. I've learned to kind of cover all of my points of my star. Let's just go around real quick. Okay, so yeah. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I did mix some gold into there, into the black, which kind of gave it like a little interference undertone type deal. But yeah, so we got the plum. Wait a minute. First color in is the last color out. So first color in is going to be the teal in the cup, because that's what I want out. So let's do the teal. Just going to pour that down the side and let it float on top. Just like that. Okay. The gold. Come on, give it to me. So I talked to Jenny. She said she has a really cute video coming out. She can't wait to show her nieces and nephews. And yeah, it's probably going to be awesome. Not probably. I know it's going to be awesome. Jenny always puts out a great video. She's hilarious to watch. I laugh all the time. I decided to just put a shot of pink just like that. Okay. And then the purple. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to coil it like that, right? So while you have that puddle, then hurry up and get your cell activator. Put it right on top, just like that. And then blow. And then if you need more white, you know, if you want to accent your corners or whatever. There's no wood conditioner in that white this time, you guys. If you don't get cells right away, don't panic. Let the density happen because the white's the heaviest, so you can see them appear within seconds, okay? If you don't have any cells appear within a matter of, let's say, like, I don't know, like 3 to 5 seconds, you know that your stuff may not be right on, okay? Let's try to add just a little more right here. One more right there. One more right there. How about right there? Yep. Okay. I really don't want to mess up those cells right there at all, but I kind of like the other star, how I had the little blooms on the points, so anyway. Oh, I did just make a drop right there, didn't I? God, I'm so mad at myself. Oh, that's definitely not what I wanted to have happen. Okay, maybe just, nope, I'm gonna wait. Let's see if I can bring it over just a little bit. No, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, and yeah, because it's still gonna do stuff. Like it's still gonna set up and whatnot, you know. And then whatever's down here, I'll just use and touch up my points or anything that I missed, anything that didn't come over, you know. But yeah, that's a cute little star, right? I'm happy with it. So there you go. I almost didn't need the black pillow, but it's still there accenting, so I can't complain too much. I'll show you guys. But there you have it. Ring pour bloom, guys. So you can do it with your puddle, or you can do it with your pillows. It's up to you. All right, let's do some cheesecake. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you haven't already, click the circle res inspire button to subscribe to my channel. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified instantly of any future uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.